Three. Alright, let's do. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. This is, well, I'll figure this out. I'll check this out. And this is how we go in the pool. Now, on Google Photos, a girl can jump in the pool just like that. Sorry about my butt crack. This is my new babies too. I bought a good one for $5. I think it's not bad. So you just stick your legs in the water. This one has a back. Can we spin it? I will take the little cap.
I'm backing up. Listen, she had me in the corner of my case.
All right. Oh my God! Just like a dressy dress. Oh my God! We're gonna see this water once I put the waterproof case. Everybody, all my audience. I got in trouble, by the way. I guess my YouTube channel is. I guess that my YouTube channel is gonna be gone because I got a brand new Samsung Galaxy A16 with 128 gigabytes of RAM with a 512 gig SD card. Perfect for. I'm losing breath right now. I'm tired, I'm hangry. I didn't eat breakfast, so subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Let's put the... So, today we're going to do a reveal. Now, back in November 2025, I went to a garage sale. Now, I'm able to do the video of the San Jose floodlight. But, well, of course, the San Jose floodlight 400 watts. No halo is pulsar. But unfortunately, I'm not gonna order stuff anymore today. That's too bad, but too bad the Navatech ballast. It tripped the breaker, but it might have a ground fault. When I try out the Sunlight 400 watt, I'm still gonna make a big one. And the elongated 28 Sylvania 400 watt metal halide bulb. This one's from 2018, judged by the base, aluminum base with glass insulator. Of course.
Wait a minute, you're right. Wait, what's a slip?
Well,
You're supposed to. Wait, what's a slip? What's the definition of slip?
I think debit cards are
Wait, what's a slip?
low money, less than 200. I'm not sure.
Look, his ears are up.
All right, I'll go to my parents.
Water, look.
I will go to my parents, everybody. All right, so subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Jack, what the?
You over here coming up? All right, I'll get sunburn. So.
You heard that?
Hey, stop pulling my pants.
Did I hump? Look, he's balls. Yeah. No, I went. I thought. Look, he's bald. Steak. Oh my God. Why don't you get done with it? If you want your YouTube to explode.
Again.
You lied to me. Oh, really? By your shit, Pop, you lied to me. What?
You're lying, man.
It's a myth. By your strip, Pop. Okay, that was good.
You're a liar. Is it still recording? Oh my god, it is. This is my brand new. Alright, let's put it in the corner. So put it like this. And we're gonna put our. I don't know. Mom's about to scratch the CVV.
See how it goes down the wall?
Yeah. This breaker pedal sparks. One sparks.
No cussing.
No, my wrap! Give it back, my wrap. Give it back, right now. Give me my wrap.
Go.
Look, there's no people, everybody.
Gummy Goose coming for you, Zach. Look. Gummy Goose coming.